Welcome to Stronger at Home. General warm-ups are performed prior to strength training and are usually good practice, especially as we age. They allow for gradual increases in heart rates, breathing rates, and blood flow to perfuse muscles and allow joint stiffness to lessen. Aim for 3 to 10 minutes of full-body dynamic movement, like a brisk walk on the treadmill. You may also want to complete some specific warm-up sets for your first strength training exercise. If you have squats with 10 kgs programmed as your first exercise, you could complete one set with 5 kgs and one set with 8 kgs before you get your working sets in. If you have upper body exercises at the beginning of your program, it may help to complete 1 to 2 warm-up sets for the shoulders. Warm-ups for the shoulders would start with much less weight when compared to our lower body. Rest. Between sets, it's important to take the time you need to feel recovered, usually 1 to 5 minutes. We generally do not want to perform strength training when fatigued. Cool down. Performing a 3 to 10 minute cool down, like low intensity walking, after your strength training session can help to lessen the pooling of blood, especially for those who are prone to hypotension or low blood pressure. Recovery. Following your strength training session, we must balance the acute stress of exercise with the appropriate recovery strategies to allow for continued repair, growth, and adaptation of our muscles and bones. If we can recover well, our strength, performance, and capacity is enhanced in time for our next session. Various recovery modalities exist. Most of these attempt to enhance our circulation in some way. However, recovery is really built on the foundation of sleep. In order to obtain at least the minimal hours of sleep you personally need to wake up feeling refreshed, try the following. Establish a consistent sleep-wake schedule. Try to get to bed every night at the same time and wake up every morning at the same time, even on the weekends. Get outside during early daylight hours. Avoid late afternoon naps. Naps early in the afternoon are acceptable and even encouraged. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and avoid large meals close to bedtime. Give yourself at least 3 hours to digest your last meal before bed. Avoid using your mobile device at least 30 minutes before bed. Create a non-stimulating bedtime routine, and this includes avoiding intense exercise near bedtime. And lastly, maintain a cool, dark, and quiet bedroom. Disrupted sleep patterns can increase exercise-induced muscle soreness and decrease our desired adaptations. Poor sleep may also lead to decreased cognitive functioning, decreased mental health and well-being, increased fatigue, and maybe even increase our injury risk. As a beginner, leave 48 hours of recovery between your strength training sessions.